Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today our topic is learn the art of earning money. Investing in stock market is our first topic. Learn how to analyze stock markets, understand market trends and make informed decisions to buy and sell stock for profit. Example, John took a course on stock market investing and started with a small portfolio. Over a year, he made strategic trades based on market analysis, earning a significant return on his achievements. And the second step, real estate investments. Investing in properties to rent or sell for profit. This includes understanding the real estate market, property valuation, and rental income potential. For example, Sarah bought a rundown property, renovated it, and rented it out. The rental income covered the mortgage, and she eventually sold the property at a substantial profit. The third step, starting a side hustle, using skills or hobbies to create additional income streams outside of regular employment. For example, Alex started a freelance graphic design business in his free time. He built a portfolio, attracted clients, and soon his side hustle became a major source of income. And the fourth step, creating online courses, sharing expertise by creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Example, Maria, an expert in digital marketing, created a series of online courses. She marketed them effectively and generated a steady passive income from course sales. And the fifth step, affiliate marketing, promoting products or service of other companies and earning a commission for each sale made through referral link. Example, Tom started a blog focused on tech reviews and included affiliate links to products. His honest reviews and large following resulted in significant affiliate income. Sixth step, dividend investing. Investing in dividend paying stocks to receive income from dividends in addition to potential stock price appreciation. Example, Rian invested in a portfolio of high dividend stocks. She received quarterly dividend payments, which she invested to compound her returns over time. And the seventh step, peer-to-peer lending. Lending money to individuals or business through online platforms that connect lenders with borrowers, earning interest on the loans. For example, Mark used a peer-to-peer lending platform to lend small amounts to multiple borrowers. The interest payments provided him with a steady stream of income. And the eighth step, blogging and content creation. Starting a blog or YouTube channel and monetizing it through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. For example, Jessica started a food blog and YouTube channel where she shares recipes and cooking tips with a growing audience. She monetized her content through ads and brand sponsorships. And the next step, stock photography. Running an online store without holding inventory where products are shipped directly from the suppliers to customers. For example, Lisa set up a dropshipping store focusing on niche products. She marketed her store effectively and managed it from her laptop, earning a profit from each sale without handling physical products. Today, our topic is closed. For more videos, stay. Thank you.